Hello friends, we'll continue from the previous video. We have completed till the jumping one. Like see, we have created in the first video this jumping scene, and before proceeding you just go to the project settings and quality. From fantastic to change it to fast one. Now see the difference. See, I mean the frame rates will be improved. Yeah, right. Now in this video we'll create the string, the wire which you see in the spider square game. To do that we have to take one small image. I'm taking this one, like see, name it as LOC, the location. I'll tell you why I'm doing this. uh, Sorry, this is not the image. Yeah, we'll take a quad, right, and name it as LOC. You can take any photoshopped image or anything, because right now I don't have, so I'm taking this one. Go to the scene view, scale it to very small size, and keep this here. I'll tell you why I'm doing this. Yeah, and like our string is, our wire is attached to this one. It doesn't have any material. You can give any material, but right now the black one is okay. Yeah, this is our player. Do one thing, like go to the line renderer. Yeah, this one, line renderer. Oh, sorry. Size to 2, and width you can change it anywhere, anything from here or from the script. Now we need a script, because we have to assign the line renderer to this our player and this one black quad. Create a script, C# script, name it as line rend, anything, because I'm just giving line rend, and I'm opening it. Not to waste the time, I have already created one script, and I'll copy paste here. I'll just change the file name. I'll tell you line by line. Now remove this one, update thing. Now see, you'll get confused. Yeah, I have created one private line renderer, name as line R, and I have taken as line R is equal to get component line renderer, because our player is attached to line renderer, so it will get back all the things from the line renderer. And I am giving as line R dot set position from 0 to new vector. I'll remove it as origin to yeah, no problem, let it be, put it as origin. Origin is our player, so public game object, public, not game object, we'll take it as transform origin, and another variable is that black quad, public transform end. See, these are the public variable. I mean, we have to attach those public, the player object and end object to the script here. Now see, origin dot position dot x and origin dot position dot y. I mean our there are two positions are there in our line header. First position is our first end is our player and the second end is to the black quad, and this is the line or dot set width will set the width of the line, I mean 0.05 from the player side and the 0.05 from the quad side. So I want the whole line render to be 0.05 of width. So I just put 0.05 or 0.05. I'll make the changes and show you how it looks like. And see, new vector. I mean, you are giving the 0 to this vector and first position to this vector. If you just remove these lines, and even if you assign the script, like I will assign the script to LOC, and the origin is player and the end is this object only. I mean, you don't need end here to write. You can write the transform.position.x because you have called here end. You can write end.position.x. Like even if you assign the scripts and even if you assign the line render to it, it won't work without script. See, to work this, we need these lines. Now see, we have given the position 1 as this vector and position 0 as this vector and position 1 as this vector. Position 0 is to our player, position 1 is to the black quad, this black quad. Now see what will happen if I save and run the script. So some errors. Oops. Where is that error? Oh, actually we did a mistake because we are calling this line R to get component, but to quad there is no line renderer is attached. So here it is saying there is no line renderer attached to LOC game object. So we need to do one thing. We'll remove the script from LOC and attach it to player, and in the place of origin we'll call it as player, in the place of end we'll place it as LOC. Now we'll save and run. See, you see in this blue color line, this is the line render. Now if you play, see, this is fixed to this position. Even if you play it, like for example, if you change the player position to here, and now what if you play, like you can see the blue line here. I mean, if you play, the line will not move. To do that, we have a solution. We write some lines in update function. These are the two lines, like line out dot set position. The same lines which we have written here, these two lines, we will write in the update function. If you write these two lines here, we don't need these two lines here, but let it be. We will not remove these lines. Even if you want, you can remove it. I mean, I want that for the first frame the line renderer should be initiated. It won't matter, but I'll let it be and see what happened now. Instead of late update, we'll use late update. Why? Because the update will like use more processing power. So we use late update. I mean, it will use the less processing power. Like you can see those things, these changes in the profiler. What happens if you use late update and what happens without late update. See, now we'll play it. See, even the line end is also moving. Did you see? Amazing, right? And what we want now, we want to change this blue color line into black color line. So here, see, we have written this line r dot set width to 0.05. What happen if we remove that? See, very broad line. Instead of changing from script, you can change that one here. What we have 0.05, right? Let it be the end width as 1 only. Now you see. See, I don't want this. That's why I change both to 0.05. Even you can do these things from here or from the script as you wish. Now you see. Now you want to change this blue color into black color. How would you do that? Just change the spot color to black, both as black. Now our whole line, oops, sorry. For that we need to assign a material. It's not like start color, end color. For that we need to assign a material. Let's create a material. I'll name it as black and change this color as a black. And from standard, because I'm not using the standard material, because standard material will take a lot of processing power or graphical power. So I'm going the legacy to diffuse. This one is the black enough. Going to player and assigning this material 0. Now see, you see the line is black. If you want the more thin line, you can change it to 0.05 to 0.02 or 0.01 as you wish. This one is done. In the next video, we'll see what to do. I mean, how to move this black quad along with our jump. Like when you click it, the simultaneously our player should jump and the black quad should jump and the camera should follow the whole thing. Come to the next video. Please subscribe.